Pesto Genovese sucks. Supermarket basil in this country looks like basil, but it doesn't smell like basil, it doesn't taste like basil, it's just a green leaf. So here at Milk Street, instead of using basil, we use parsley, including the leaves and the stems. You actually get more flavor, it's super inexpensive, and you probably have it sitting in your fridge. And we've come up with a recipe that's lighter and fresher. We don't load it up with cheese and nuts. We got this recipe in Ravello at La Vecchia Cantina, a guy called Antonio Ciaffi, and when he made this pesto, it came out like this jewel-like, bright green, almost gelato consistency. Now, just a word about Ravello. It's in something called the Valley of the Ironworks. You walk down to Amalfi. Amalfi is famous for its huge lemons. That's probably why this recipe also uses lemon juice. So first thing is we take Italian parsley. We're blanching this. Parsley stems have a lot of flavor. So by quickly cooking them, blanching them, we'll be able to use the stems in the pesto. Everywhere I've been in Italy, they're very frugal with their use of garlic. 1 clove goes in. A lot of Americans, and I have done this too, use way too much garlic. Oil, of course. Now you'll notice there are no nuts in this and there's no cheese, which is typical for many pesto recipes, right? They use an Italian fish sauce. This is not as fishy as an Asian fish sauce, or you can use 1 anchovy. Green, super creamy sauce. People say al dente. No, you don't want chewy pasta. You want to be toothsome, but you want it cooked. You don't want it chewy. That's chewy. Always reserve pasta cooking water. And that's good. Okay. So we're gonna put it medium, low. This is what you want. You're gonna coat the pasta, but you're not gonna flood it with sauce. For some reason, the last 20 or 30 years, like people are putting lemon juice in everything. Have you noticed that? This is a case where lemon's fine, but you have to be careful. You don't want to use too much. So I'm going to zest over the food. We have 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add half of it. Now you can add it all. Yeah, that's good. As this sits, the pasta is going to absorb more liquid. So if you're going to let it sit and people come back for seconds, you're going to want to probably add a little more liquid to it. And it tastes super fresh. You know, pesto is just a quick sauce made with ingredients you have on hand. That's all it is. There's 1,000 other variations out there, which is great. Those are the most powerful recipes in the world. The ones that are simple, have a simple concept you can remember without using a recipe. So I think pesto's may be the most useful recipe in the world. If you do freeze it or store it, Lydia Bastianich told me this trick, which is when she stores pesto, even when she freezes it, she puts a layer of olive oil on top, and that will help keep the flavor.